So this saw right here is called a compound miter. It's a sliding compound miter because it slides. They have regular compound miter saws that don't slide. Okay, they go up and down, and they turn and they cut on angles. This one goes up and down, turns and cuts on angles. It bevels. Okay, depends what you want to cut. It cuts anywhere from small lumber to bigger size lumber. Okay. That's how you can reach so far. You can cut a 2x12, 2x10, all the way down to a 2x4. All right, that's why this saw is really good. This is a little bit older version. They make a bunch of different ones. They make battery ones, electric ones. I prefer the electric, only because the battery lasts longer and it seems to cut better. Okay, but you can adjust all of this. Okay, usually has some kind of a knob right here that controls the slide. You tighten it up, you can't slide it. You loosen it up, you can. Okay. The other thing that it has is a lock. You close this thing down, and it usually has a button like this that you pull and turn, and now it's locked. You can't open it, okay? Kind of like child-proof or man-proof, I don't know what you call it. Anyway, pull this thing open. Over this side, Lars. All right. Most important when you use the saw, and it doesn't matter what brand, Bosch, DeWalt, Milwaukee, whatever, is the guard. You don't want to cut your fingers off. So always make sure the guard is working. If you cut a lot of lumber, sometimes you get wood stuck in here or sawdust, and this thing gets stuck. Maybe it stays stuck open, okay? And you do a cut, I unplugged it, so I'm safe, okay? Always unplug your tools when you're messing with them, not when you're cutting, you have to plug them in. Anyway, so say this thing's stuck and I go to close this thing and I'm not ready for it and it gets caught and I hit the button and bam, it cuts the wood and I hit myself, okay? Always make sure this works on all your saws. You always have to have a guard on, okay? And no matter what brand, they all have a knob that turns and kind of a lever that lifts. Right now it's locked in place, okay? Crank it down, it's locked, it can't move. I twist it, I pull up on this lever. Now I can turn this thing and I can cut all these different angles, okay? The other button that does angles is in the back. Okay, same thing, doesn't matter what brand, they all have something like this. They all do both, okay? This one actually has a lever that you pull up, and now you can bevel your saw. Okay, you can turn the whole saw. This one only goes one way. Some of them you have go both ways, okay?